Hello, welcome to postuploader.com. Today I will guide how you can safely give your WordPress website or blog login user access to someone else. Okay, start. So I am going to my website dashboard. If you want to give your website or blog login access or user access to someone's email, firstly you have to go your dashboard left side user section. So click on this user section here. Okay. After that, you will get an option top of the page, add new user. So click here to add new user. So you have to give username first. So as an example, I'm giving like example user. And you have to give his email address. So as a test, I am giving info at the rate of postuploader.com, but you have to write that user email address here, and his first name, for example, is Steve, and last name should be Mark. So his name is Steve Mark. I'm just using dummy name, it's not real. So in the password section, you can keep this password as it is, or you can give a new password as you want to give. And obviously I love to tick this box, then user will get an email about this account. Now come to the important section, there's the role. So which role you want to give the new user? If I click here has top role is administrator, second role is editor, then you can give author, even contributor or subscriber role. But you have to know which role user, what can they do. For example, administrator roles have the full control of your website, including access to all settings and content. He can manage all the content, he can create, edit, delete, post, page, comment, and he can install, update, and delete theme and plugin. He or she can manage other user account, he can add new user, he can edit new user, even he can delete exist user. He has the full authority to do everything. So be careful about giving this access. If he is or she is not trustworthy person to you, then you won't give this access. But if he is your website developer, theme developer, or something, he is working on your website function, if he need this access, discuss with him, then give. So now come to the editor access. What editor can do? Actually, editor have full control over all content of the site, but not the site settings. If I say it's in simple word, he can create, edit, publish or delete any post or page, including those are written by others. He can manage or approve comment. He can manage categories, tags. He can upload file, manage media library, but he can't access plugin, themes, or any user settings. Now come to the author. What can do author? Author can create, manage their own post, but has limited access to the parts of the site. Like he can write, edit, publish their own post, but can't edit or publish other post. He can upload file to media library, delete his own post but cannot delete other person post. Even cannot access comment settings or even user management. If I come to the contributor section, contributor actually he just ability to write or manage their own post. Even contributor cannot publish them, just write and draft them and submit that post to for review by the editor or administrator. Even he cannot delete his post, even any other person post. He cannot upload any media file. He cannot get access to media library, plugin, themes, or settings space. If I want to give access to subscriber, what he can do? He just can read the content of the site, comment on post. If comment section is enabled on your blog site, he can edit his own profile, change his own password. He don't have any access to creating or managing content, settings, or plugin. That's all. So as an example, I am giving this example user to editor access. Just clicking on add new user, and you see example user already created. Meanwhile, in this email, that user will get email about this new account on postuploader.com. It's done. Now come to the point. If your work is done with that user, what you will do? You must delete that user access. So how you can delete? Same. After login your website, just come to the user page and delete that user and click on confirm delete. User will be deleted. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.